Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into the njxbrek 16x24-inch high-pressure clamshell heat press machine. A digital sublimation machine built for creators, entrepreneurs, and hobbyists alike. Is this the next great addition to your crafting corner? Stick with us for the next 5 minutes as we unbox, test, and break down this machine in action. Alright, let's start with what's in the box. The heat press comes securely packed and weighs about 66 pounds, so you'll want a sturdy table to place it on. It has a sleek black aluminum body with an industrial finish. Right away, it feels solid, built to handle repeated heavy use. The size is no joke. With a 16-inch by 24-inch platen, this is ideal for large-scale projects. Think hoodies, full-size t-shirts, canvas bags, even pillow covers. And thanks to its clamshell design, you get a space-saving vertical opening, which makes it easier to fit into smaller workspaces without compromising on pressing area. Let's talk controls. On the side, you'll find an LCD digital display and a few control buttons. The machine features an intelligent temperature control system. You can set the temperature anywhere from 0 up to 250 degrees Celsius, and the time can be set from 0 to 999 seconds. That means you get full flexibility depending on your material. Whether you're working on cotton, polyester, or sublimation blanks like ceramic or aluminum. One of the key features is the pressure adjustment. Right on top, there's a rotary knob. By turning it clockwise or counterclockwise, you can increase or decrease the pressure. That's important, especially when switching between thick hoodies and thin t-shirts. It gives you consistent results without damaging the fabric or transfer. For safety, the machine includes a built-in fuse. It's rated for 110 volts, so if you're outside the US, make sure to use a step-down converter. The fuse protects against voltage spikes and ensures smooth operation, especially during long sessions. Let's jump into a real-world test. We prepped a 100% cotton t-shirt, loaded a sublimation design printed on transfer paper, and aligned it on the platen. After setting our temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer to 60 seconds, we locked the press down. The heating plate felt evenly heated across the surface, and the digital countdown made it easy to monitor. Once the press popped up, we peeled the transfer, and the print looked vibrant, crisp, and deeply bonded to the fabric. No fading, no smudging. This is the kind of result you want, especially if you're running a small print-on-demand business or just doing custom gifts for family and friends. As a bonus, the light indicator next to the LCD gives you a visual cue when the process is complete. It's a small detail, but super handy if you're multitasking in a busy workspace. Now, let's talk limitations. This unit is heavy and doesn't have a slide-out drawer or auto-open feature, so you'll need to manually lift the clamshell after each press. If you're doing back-to-back jobs all day long, that could be a bit tiring. Also, since it's not dual voltage, international users need to be extra cautious about the power supply. If you're a crafter looking for a budget-friendly, large-format heat press with precise control over heat, time, and pressure, this model delivers. It's especially good for people who work with varied materials and need a reliable machine for consistent results. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. This item currently doesn't ship to all locations, including India, so check availability before purchasing. That's it for today's hands-on review of the njxbrek 16x24 heat press machine. If you're serious about heat transfers, this might be the upgrade your creative business needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on gear reviews from Product Scout. See you in the next one.